Today, we're exploring Stripo.email, a powerful and intuitive platform for designing professional email templates. Whether you're a marketer, designer, or business owner, Stripo makes it easy to build stunning emails with no coding required, but also offers advanced options for those who want to work directly with HTML and CSS. Stripo is an all-in-one email design and automation platform that streamlines the process of creating, customizing, and exporting email templates. Its standout feature is a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, but it also includes a robust HTML and CSS code editor for more advanced users. When you log into Stripo, if you are using the free plan, you see what is available for you, like 2 projects, 2 members access, and 5 free exports. In Stripo, you'll have options to start from scratch, use one of over 1,400 pre-designed templates, or import your own HTML code. Templates are organized by categories like promo, info, business, trigger, and transactional, giving you a quick starting point for any campaign. On the left, you'll find navigation for your projects, modules, and saved templates. The main workspace is where you'll design your emails, and you can easily switch between drag-and-drop and code editing modes without losing your work. The drag-and-drop editor is at the heart of Stripo's appeal. You can intuitively add and customize every element of your email: text blocks, images, buttons, social media icons, and more, simply by dragging them into your design. Pre-built modules save time by using reusable content blocks like headers, footers, product cards, or banners. You can also create and save your own modules for future campaigns. Responsive design easily set which elements appear or hide on mobile or desktop, ensuring your emails look great on any device. AI Writing Assistant generate creative subject lines and email copy with just a few clicks, helping you speed up content creation. For those who want full control, Stripo lets you code emails from scratch or fine-tune templates with custom HTML and CSS. You can even combine drag-and-drop elements with hand-coded sections in the same template, offering maximum flexibility for designers and developers. Once your email is ready, Stripo makes it simple to export your design. One-click export. Send your email to over 80 email service providers, including MailChimp, Gmail, Outlook, and more, with a single click, no manual code setup needed. Other export options: download your email as HTML, PDF, or image files, or connect via Zapier or webhook to push emails to your CRM. Easy integration. Stripo can be embedded into your own web application for seamless workflow integration. Also, Stripo allows you to create a comprehensive brand guidelines kit directly within the platform. This feature is especially valuable for teams and organizations aiming to maintain a consistent look and feel across all their email communications. Once your guidelines are set, Stripo lets you export the entire kit as a PDF. Let's walk through how to use a custom HTML email template created in Stripo and add it to your campaign in Snovio. First, in Stripo, finish designing your email and export the HTML code. Now, head over to Snovio and open the campaign builder. In the sequence step, add a new email element to your campaign. Click on the email content area to open the email editor. To insert your HTML, look for the toolbar at the top of the editor and click the source code icon. Paste it into this window. Click OK to apply the changes. Once you do this, you'll see your email's layout appear in the editor. You might notice email containers, padding lines, or other layout markers. These are normal and help you see how your design will render. To make sure everything looks right, click the Preview and Test button at the bottom of the editor. This lets you see exactly how your email will appear to recipients. You can also send a test email to your own inbox. If you notice anything out of place, such as spacing, images, or variables not displaying correctly, you can return to the source code editor and make adjustments. Remember, if your template uses custom variables, be sure to format them as custom field name, so Snovio can replace them with the correct data when sending. To wrap up, Stripo is ideal for marketers and business owners who want to quickly create beautiful, responsive emails without coding. Agencies and teams that need to collaborate on email design and maintain brand consistency. Designers and developers who want to combine visual editing with custom code for unique layouts or interactive elements. Whether you're sending promotional newsletters, transactional emails, event invitations, or customer support messages, Stripo's flexible tools help you create emails that engage and convert.